What an incredible morning out on the water. We just made fish tacos. If you haven't seen it already, get back there and watch the fish taco video. I still have a big bag of the sheepshead fillets. Let's make a blackened fish fillet with cilantro lime crema. Start with the crema into a bowl. Found this recipe, and I need to give credit where credit is due. ChiliPepperMadness.com, Mike Hultquist. Looked like he had a cookbook available and a website, and I saw a photo of it, the blackened fish fillet with the cilantro lime crema, so shout out. Mike, not following his recipe exactly, but we're loosely following it with the ingredients that I have with me today. Adding my own twists, which include Blackstone's Tequila Lime. He suggested lime zest, but I forgot to pick up a zester at the grocery store. I have a lot of things on my mind fishing, so I need to make do with what I have here. Fresh chopped cilantro. Fishing like we are here, it's nice to have everything prepped ahead of time. As much as you can anyways. Rinse off my sheepshead fillets with fresh water. Pat them dry with a paper towel. Get as much moisture out of the fish as you can. Avocado oil on the fish. Repeat on the second side. Found some blackened seasoning at the bait and tackle shop. Season the fish fillets with the blackened seasoning. Don't be shy. Blackened seasoning, you want to use a lot. And don't forget to season the second side. Blackstone camping griddle, really high heat. You want to have it sizzling for blackened fish. Sit back and enjoy the view. Give them a flip after a few minutes. Are you kidding me? Jalapeno slices down in that oil. Give the jalapeños a flip after a few minutes. Fish is ready after a few minutes. Down on my plate. I wish you could smell this. It is so mesmerizing. A little bit of that cilantro lime crema over the top of the fish, just like that. Beautiful jalapeno slices on top. Cut open an avocado. Scoop out some avocado. You have to have fresh avocado. A little bit of avocado over on the side. Couple of lime wedges, and take a look at that. Blackened sheepshead with cilantro lime crema. We're losing our light here. It's really bad lighting, but check that out. Look at this. See, it flakes. Flakes really nice. That's what you want. Look at that. Look at that nice flake. A little bit of that cilantro lime crema. Things are getting crazy here. Finger eating. Let's give it a try. But fresh fish, fresh sheepshead is where it's at. But I'm telling you what, cilantro lime crema is killer. A little bit of avocado in there. So delicious. Blackened fish with cilantro lime crema. It's got all the flavors that you'll, it has all, sounds like a ship's getting ready to take off. It has all the flavors. Let me get a jalapeno. It has all the flavors that you want when you're in Florida. Thanks for watching, everybody. I have a bunch of hungry family members here. Gonna get in there and get a few more bites myself. I'll get this recipe for blackened fish with cilantro lime crema up at blackstoneproducts.com. Make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the blackened fish with cilantro lime crema.